welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping machines in the construction world. Bulldozer that costs a small fortune but delivers results that are absolutely priceless. If you've ever wondered why heavy equipment like this carries such a staggering price tag, and what makes it worth every penny, then stick around. Because we're going to explore the exterior, the interior, the performance, and finally, the cost of this beast in detail. At first glance, the exterior of this bulldozer is nothing short of intimidating. Standing taller than most two-story houses and weighing in at hundreds of thousands of pounds, it dominates the landscape before it even moves. The blade at the front is massive, designed to push mountains of earth as if they were piles of sand. The tracks, reinforced with high-grade steel, grip the ground with an authority that ensures no terrain is too rough, too muddy, or too steep. From a distance, it looks like a rolling fortress, engineered for power, durability, and presence. The design isn't just about brute force. Every angle, every component of the exterior has been carefully crafted for efficiency. The blade isn't just big, it's shaped to move material in the most effective way possible, reducing resistance and maximizing the amount of earth that can be shifted in one push. The ripper at the back is equally impressive. It's capable of tearing through rock and compacted soil with a precision that turns impossible jobs into routine work. This bulldozer isn't just built to look tough. It's designed to perform tough, day in and day out. Under the harshest conditions, step inside the cab and the story shifts from raw muscle to cutting-edge comfort and technology. In the past, bulldozer operators had to endure long hours in noisy, vibrating, and uncomfortable environments. This machine changes that entirely. The interior feels more like the cockpit of a luxury SUV than a piece of heavy machinery. Plush seating with advanced suspension absorbs shocks and jolts, allowing the operator to stay comfortable even while moving across uneven terrain. Noise insulation is another game changer. Instead of the deafening roar of the engine, you hear a steady hum that makes communication and concentration possible. The cabin is climate controlled, so whether you're in the freezing cold of the mountains or the sweltering heat of the desert, you're working in perfect comfort. The controls are laid out with ergonomic precision, reducing fatigue and allowing the operator to manage complex tasks with intuitive ease. Joystick controls replace the old levers, offering smoother, more precise movements that translate directly into better performance on the ground. Then there's the technology. Modern bulldozers like this one are loaded with GPS systems, automation, and advanced monitoring tools. Operators can program exact grades and slopes. The machine will assist in executing them flawlessly, cutting down the time it takes to complete projects and reducing the margin of error. Sensors constantly provide feedback on engine health, fuel efficiency, and hydraulic performance. Ensuring the bulldozer operates at peak condition, it's not just about moving dirt anymore. It's about doing it smarter, faster, and with absolute precision. But let's get to the part everyone really wants to know about, the performance. This bulldozer is a true powerhouse. The engine produces an eye-watering amount of horsepower, often exceeding 1,000 in top-tier models. That means it can push, pull, and rip through material that would leave smaller machines struggling. You don't measure its performance in miles per hour. You measure it in tons of earth moved per hour. On that scale, it's one of the most efficient tools ever created. Its hydraulic systems deliver unmatched power to the blade and ripper, ensuring smooth and controlled operation even under maximum load. The tracks distribute weight evenly, giving it stability that seems almost unnatural for something so big. It can climb inclines, move through mud, and tackle rocky landscapes without hesitation. And when you see it in action, it's almost mesmerizing. Like watching a giant effortlessly reshape the earth with every move. What sets it apart is not just the sheer size of the tasks it can handle, but the precision with which it does them. Earth moving is not just about brute force. It's about shaping terrain with accuracy, and this bulldozer is designed to achieve millimeter-perfect results on large construction sites, in mining operations, or in road-building projects. It saves time, reduces labor, and increases safety in ways that no other machine can match. Now let's talk about the price. A bulldozer of this caliber doesn't come cheap. Depending on the model, the features, and the customizations, you're looking at anywhere from $500,000 to over $2 million. That's a staggering amount of money for a single machine. But here's the thing, for the companies that invest in it, the return on investment is undeniable. The speed, efficiency, and reliability this bulldozer delivers can shave months off a project timeline, saving millions in labor and operational costs. It's a perfect example of spending big to save even bigger. And beyond the dollars and cents, there's something priceless about the capability it brings. With this bulldozer, engineers can take on projects that would otherwise be impossible. From carving highways through mountains to building massive dams and infrastructure, it's not just a piece of equipment, it's a tool that shapes the world we live in, literally changing landscapes and making modern civilization possible. So yes, it costs a fortune, but what it delivers is beyond measure. It delivers progress, it delivers opportunity, and it delivers the power to turn human ambition into reality. Watching it in action is a reminder that some machines are not just tools. They're milestones in engineering achievement. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most impressive bulldozers on the planet, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.